Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is the smallest digit at the ones place of the number, and we have given one number that will make the number divisible by 6 is. Now, firstly, by divisibility test of 6, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now, given number is 8, 4, 9, 6, and we have to find this last digit, means ones place. So, to make the given number firstly divisible by 2, the last digit should be, means the ones place should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then to make that number divisible by 3, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So, let us check 0. So, the number be 84960, which is divisible by 2, and 8 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0 is, this 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 9 is 21 plus 6 is 27. This 27 is divisible by 3. Hence, the ones place of the number 8496 is 3, and so the number be 84960.